Chapter. So we're currently here in Tagaytay and we're staying here in Carmelence View. So let's now take a room tour of our room here in Carmelence View. So we're having the Sky King Suite. Okay, so let's go inside the room. Okay, so we have a king-size bed here, and as what you can see, the room is very beautiful. It's very neat and very clean, and the best part here is the view. Okay, but let's go outside later to check out the view from this room. Okay, by the way, if you're staying here in Carmelence View, they do have a complimentary wine. Okay, so here's the complimentary wine. And of course, there's water. There are wine glasses. Then they also do have an electric kettle here. Okay. So the room is very beautiful, guys. And there's a large LCD TV here. And of course, the room is air conditioned. Okay, there's also a mini refrigerator. So let's check out what's inside this. So it's empty. Okay. Then I suppose the TV, of course, has cable channels. So as what you can see, the room is very spacious. So this is perfect for couples. Okay. And let's now check out the toilet and bath. Wow. The toilet and bath is very spacious, guys. So there are bathrobes in here. Then sleepers are also provided. And the lavatory for his and her. Okay. Here's the huge mirror. Let's check out the view outside. Okay. Okay, then another huge mirror. Okay, then there's also a safe deposit box. Okay. Then iron and hair dryer or hair blower are also provided. Here's the toilet. And here's the bath area. So there's a rain shower, and they also of course provide conditioner and shampoo and soap. Okay. And here's the view from the toilet. So you get a good view of Taal from here. Okay, let's go back to our room. Okay. So the bed is comfortable, and let's check out the pillows first. Okay. And by the way, we were surprised by Carmelence View because they do have here, they provide a phone when you check in here. Okay, so if you want to contact the reception, you just dial it here. Okay, and if you're staying here in Carmelence, of course they do have kitchen here. So there's the menu here in Carmelence. So later we'll get to try their food because we haven't eaten lunch yet, and I guess it's already 3:30 p.m. Okay. A very beautiful room here in Carmelence View. Okay, and let's now check out the balcony of our room. Okay, so as what you can see, our balcony has a bathtub. And it's very private here, so no one can see you if you're going to dip in here. Okay, and the balcony also has a huge table. Okay, so they do have food here. You just ordered and you can eat here. It's very safe. And if you do smoke, they allow smoking here in the balcony. Okay, but the best part of this balcony is the magnificent view of Taal. So let's check out. Okay, so beautiful. So you get a perfect view of Taal from this room here in Carmelence View. So here's our balcony. It's so beautiful, guys. So if you're looking for a place to stay here in Tagaytay, I'm highly recommending the Carmelence View. So they do have a very clean and neat rooms here, very beautiful rooms. And of course, who can't resist this perfect view of Taal Lake. So the good news is that I'm giving you a huge discount if you book on my link in the description box below. Again, this is 𝗦𝗔𝗪𝗢𝗢𝗞. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.